like some camera ASMR video now. Okay. Where the fuck? What is up, guys? Bit of a different video for me today. My YouTube channel's making a comeback this year, and I just bought a new camera. All the way from Japan. Look at this. This is some government conspiracy here. If you can see that. In custom charges, £158. I mean, whatever. It's the Konica Hexar RF. I don't actually have a lens for it yet, but mate, I proper hate when people just like mess around on like unboxings, so I'm just gonna just go full in. Can you see that? Yeah. It's such a janky setup that I've got right now, like filming this. Like the worst knife ever. I don't even know if it's like come in the original box. Like it says it's excellent condition, and I think I paid like £550 for it. I mean, these cameras are just going like money wise next level. So even though I paid like £150 custom charges on it, you know. Okay. Didn't come with a box, unfortunately, which is a bit annoying, but that's it's literally just a black I can't even think what it's called, strap. But oh wow, yes, just what I wanted, just what the planet wanted. Great. Here we are. But wow, it is weighty. It's probably about the size of. It's probably about the weight of a 35mm. I'm in the way of the light. Oh dear. It's probably about the size of a 35mm Canon lens, to be fair. Like, it is hefty. Oh boy, this is like, I've wanted this camera for like months. I just couldn't stop thinking about it. And the thing is with like film cameras and 35mm, and like, in fact any analog camera that's hyped up or like worth its weight in gold is just going crazy on eBay right now. Like, it's just too much. Yo, this is actually sick. Like, the only scuffs on it are here, which I saw on eBay. If you can't even, I mean, you literally can't even see it. That's there. But dude, when like, what I love about like Japanese retails and stuff, like when they say, "Oh, it's in mint condition," it's in fucking mint condition. Like, it's next level. Like it feels literally brand new. Like, it just feels like. Annoying about the box, but it didn't actually state that it came in the box. But this one was like, all the other ones like £750 alone on eBay without like charge or anything. But man, I'm so happy with this. I'll probably do like a full review of it. So I'm literally like gushing over it behind the camera here right now. I need help buying a lens as well, guys. So if any of you lovely folks out there can recommend one, this feels so solid though, like full metal body. cool. I'm not going to bore you with any more. Me gushing over my new camera, but I just thought I'd share that because I think like it's pretty cool, especially like when I was trying to buy this camera. I found it really difficult to like. There's loads of reviews and stuff, but like to actually see it up close, and like no one ever like the weight is like it's so hefty. But yeah, cool. There we go, guys. There we go. Yeah, so there will be updates soon to the channel if I can film properly. Cool. Peace.